What's going on, guys? My name's Kyle. This is Big Money Mindset 2 Rocket Fuel channel. In today's video, we have a highly requested stock. This stock has been announced a couple of weeks ago. There's been a lot of videos, but this is going to be the final video to give you reassurance of this company, and that is the AvePoint APXT merger valued around $2 billion. Today's video, we're going to cover the investor presentation, and we'll also look at the stock chart just to see what kind of movement this stock has been having. And only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on APXT AvePoint, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be keeping you updated daily on all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out and you don't want to miss it. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. This is my VIP call options website, and basically I go over call options every Sunday 4 times per month. This is a more aggressive approach in the stock market. We do have over 900 users inside the Patreon right now. You can check out the link below and read up on the summary and see if the Patreon is a good fit for you. Let's get into the video to talk about AvePoint. So guys, right around 3 weeks ago, a New Jersey software company, AvePoint, to go public via $2 billion SPAC merger. Okay, this was announced around 2 to 3 weeks ago. AvePoint, the Jersey City, New Jersey-based software company backed by the investment fund 6th Street, having a $47 billion worth of assets under its management to date, had been brewing off an option to file for a U.S. public listing via $2 billion merger with Special Purpose Acquisition Corp. Apex Technology, the company said in a statement earlier a couple weeks ago. So the first thing you want to look at with a SPAC stock, you want to make sure their management team is very strong, okay? As we can see, every single person on their management team has over 20 years experience. You cannot get a management position in this company without 20 years experience. We can see that they have notable companies that the management team has worked for in their previous years: Lehman Brothers, Johnson & Johnson, Goldman Sachs, Verizon, the list goes on. So that's the first thing you want to look for when investing in a SPAC stock is the management team strong. And as we can see, it is a very strong team to get it started with this SPAC. AvePoint is the leading data management solutions provider for the Microsoft Cloud. So this is a Microsoft Cloud partnership, a data management leader in massive and rapidly growing Microsoft Cloud marketplace, large established global presence, a top Microsoft strategic cloud partner, 5x global partner of the year winner, compelling growth vectors. And the second thing you want to look for when investing in the SPAC stock, because you have to understand there's hundreds and hundreds of SPAC stocks out there. There's tons and tons of cloud companies, tons and tons of EV. You want to see if the company is producing revenue immediately, okay? That's the first thing I like to look for when investing in a SPAC stock, okay? We can see 2020 strong financial performance, $148 million in revenue, 30% growth over year, 14% EBIT margin. So this company is producing excellent revenue already in a very early time frame going public. So that's an amazing thing you want to look for when investing in a SPAC stock. A lot of companies out there were affected very, very harsh through the pandemic over 2020. Digital transformation has accelerated during the pandemic, with Microsoft Cloud gaining significant momentum. That's what you want to look for. You want to look for a company that thrives during a pandemic, thrives during any time frame in the year. It doesn't matter the current situation, but as you can see, they are thriving during the pandemic. 59% of workforce would prefer to work remotely. That's excellent for their business model. 37% increase in cloud spending in Q1 2020. 95.4% projected growth in desktop as a service. AvePoint solves data management challenges at any stage in the customer cloud journey. Transformation, governance, compliance. They have migration, doc av, cloud management, cloud backup, cloud governance, cloud records, compliance guardian, policies and insights. They have several different business models to meet wide variety of company needs. Easily scalable cloud delivered model to meet complex requirements. Government, financial services, pharma and health, high technology, retail, education, communications. Their business model thrives for any type of company that needs, that cloud management data and backup. We can see right here, AvePoint advantages that they list that they perform hyliion is utilizes full benefits of Microsoft Cloud, protects and prioritizes data, significant expertise in compliance management, enhances collaboration, enterprise scalability, high ROI for organization, automates tasks for response and delivery. And another big thing you want to look for any type of SPAC company when you're investing in these early stages, is it a addressable and scalable growing market? This is a large and growing addressable market. $7.2 billion in security compliance, $3.1 billion in cloud integration and migration, $4.8 billion in DPaaS, that's data protection as a service. As you can see, the APOINT growth outlook, it looks amazing. Being a partner with the Microsoft 365 users is huge for long-term growth. The Microsoft 365 users in 2020 is at 250 million. APOINT shares of total is 3%, and the APOINT users is 7 million. The future outlook for Microsoft 365 users is 500 million. APOINT share of total would be at 10%, with APOINT users growing to 50 million. That's amazing. Digital transformation at 1.8 trillion by 2022. So far for investing in an early time frame SPAC stock, we've covered, is it a strong management team? Do they have good revenue so far? Is it a highly growable, addressable market? And the last thing I like to look for, does it have a wide variety customer base of amazing companies that are also growing rapidly? Because you have to understand, if those companies are growing rapidly, then APOINT is going to be growing rapidly because that's the customer base. That's what you want to look for. Are these companies in growing markets? Representative customers, diversified blue chip base. We can see the customers are exceptionally well customers. I mean, it does not get better than this. All these companies are highly invested in cloud. They need the support from APOINT. Disney, ESPN, Honda, Pfizer, Bank of America, MetLife, HP. The list goes on and on. As you can see right here, this is a wide variety of customers that they are, working with right now in the market. JP Morgan, Progressive, it just does not get better than this. This is what you want to do. You want to chase the big money. Microsoft is the company that's been around for decades, and you want to chase the highly innovative companies that are behind Microsoft in an early time frame. Wait till we look at the charts for this company. You have a absolutely amazing time frame of investing in this company at the early stages. And I want you guys to understand, I am invested in this company. I've invested a couple $1,000s, I think right around $3,000 to be exact. And to be real clear, I am looking for dips in this company to invest more money. I've been watching it very closely these past couple of weeks, and we will take a look at the charts to see what kind of opportunities are still out there. And this is it, guys. This is the most exciting part of the investor presentation. The highly attractive financial profile. This is the best part of the entire presentation. We want to see the growth outlook. We want to see the numbers that they're projecting. We want to know that this is a highly high growth spec stock early time frame. So that's what we're looking for. And right now we can see Q1 2019, 75 million. Q2 2019, 78, 85, 90, 95. And as we can see right here, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 of 2019, we have amazing year-over-year growth, 18%, 19, 23, 25%. Even in Q1 2020 and Q2 2020, we have 27% and 29% year-over-year growth. This is looking very, very nice. And the revenue is just amazing at such an early time frame of investing in this company. Right here, revenue 117 for 2019, 148 for 2020. 2021 they project 193 million, almost a fifth of $1 billion. And 2022 is where it really gets exceptional. 257 million projected revenue for 2 years from now. And you got to think, we're already getting into 2021. Time is flying fast. So they are projecting exceptional revenue increases. And guys, there's no telling how massive this company could be if you just get a 5-year outlook on your money. I do expect some solid short-term growth, of course, but if you think long-term for this company, it's going to be a big one down the road. Also, the gross profit, 2019, 2020, and 2021, they're seeing exceptional margin. 36 million, 46 million, 2021, 139 million, 191 million for 2022. So excellent gross profit. So there's a lot of good things to look at. You guys can take a look at this investor presentation after the video if you want, but just know there's a lot of opportunity from what I'm seeing. So we're going to take a look at the 1 month chart on the Apex Technology. This is the APOINT stock that is going to be merging Q1, just a couple of months out for 2021. We can see as soon as it was announced, this company saw a crazy spike. We're talking $11 all the way to that $16 range, guys. So this thing flew up quick in just a day or two. And we can see now, a lot of the short-term day traders have exited. And the stock did have a pullback, for $2 to $3. The last couple of weeks, we've been hovering right around that $13 to $14 range. We can see we almost went up to $15 about a week ago on December 9th. And right now, we're hovering at $14.13. I want you guys to know I have invested in this company right around the dip on December 2nd. I got it around $13.40. I put about $3 grand in my long-term growth stock portfolio. I do plan on adding heavily. When I say heavily, I'm talking about an additional $3 grand potentially if I can get this stock in the low 13s again. That's what I'm looking for. If it runs away to the $20 range, I will not chase it. I will look for more investments longer term. There's a lot of other companies I'm investing in: BFT, IPOB, NEO. If you guys take a look at my last couple of videos, I go into a great analysis on the BFT in one of my earlier videos. So there's a lot of other videos you guys can check out. But just know right now we're hovering around that $14 range. That is a great time to get your stocks loaded up. And if you just have that outlook of a couple of years, you can be greatly rewarded if this company does reach that triple digit. If this company does reach that triple digit range, you're looking at a easily 500% investment. You're looking at an easy 500% increase on your investment, which is amazing. All right, guys, and just like I said, of course, this is my TD Ameritrade long-term growth portfolio. We got the APXT. I purchased around 212 shares for $13.58 per piece. Of course, I wish I could have got this company a little bit earlier, but I like to do a little bit of research before I invest that company. A lot of people do just buy a spec stock because it's $10, $11. They don't even care what it is. They just think it's going to go up. That's not the case, with a lot of these spec stocks. There's hundreds and hundreds of spec stocks out there, but I do think this stock has the opportunity to come back down into that $13 range. $12 could be possible on a very horrible day in the market. So just know that I'm looking out for this stock in that $13 range. I invested about $3,000, got 200 shares. I would love to add to this position, but if it runs up, I'm going to let it go. And that's just my take on investing in companies in early time frames. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. We have over 900 users in the Patreon, and I go over call option opportunities for those people that invest in call options, and we are up right now significantly on multiple companies, and there is a lot of things to learn inside of the Patreon, so you guys can click the link and just read up on it if you want to get further details. Also, there's an Instagram link where you can see people's reviews that they've been having the past couple of months. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for the APXT AvePoint merger. This company has a lot of things going for it in the near future. Once again, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.